Alright, first we have convergent plate boundaries. Now, convergent boundaries are where two plates are crashing into each other. Here we see two continental plates pushing against each other, and they're both at similar densities, so neither one of them wants to really sink underneath the other. So we see mountains being formed. Mountains and volcanoes even can be formed from convergent plate boundaries. Next we have divergent boundaries. Divergent boundaries occur when two plates move apart. Magma or molten rock rises from the Earth's interior to fill this gap that is left by the divergent boundary. When that molten rock cools, generally a rift valley or even a trench can be created. We see some very deep sea trenches caused by divergent boundaries. And finally, we have transform boundaries. This is where two plates slide against each other. They're not always sliding very smooth against each other, and this can cause a lot of tension between the two plates. A lot of times earthquakes are caused by transform boundaries. We see this along the west coast of the U.S. in California. That is a transform plate boundary. Alrighty, so just to review for you guys, we have convergent plate boundaries. The plates are sliding into each other. Mountains can form, volcanoes can form. We have divergent plate boundaries. They're running away from each other. And we have transform boundaries. They're just sliding across each other, giving each other a high five. This is how earthquakes take place a lot of the time. Okay, so I gave you guys my little spiel on plate boundaries and plate tectonics. Now what I want you guys to do is look up some sort of geologic feature that could be, an earthquake that happened in history, a big volcanic eruption, a volcano that you know of, a large mountain range, a deep sea trench, anything like that that you think has been influenced by plate tectonics. I want you to look up a little bit of information on it. Figure out how destructive the earthquake or the volcano was. How tall is the tallest point on the mountain range? How deep is the deep sea trench? And I want you to bring that information to class tomorrow, because we're going to use what you found and we're going to create something really cool. Alright, well that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for listening, and cheers to plate tectonics.